Hello and welcome again to Tech It Out. Today we're looking at the biggest hole in any computer system. That is when people buy or set up their computer, they generally create an account and they make it an administrator account. Now doing this allows these nasty creatures, viruses and trojans to get into your system and wreak all kinds of havoc through programs you install or websites you visit or emails you open, or even if those lovely tech people at Microsoft call you and tell you that you have to remove lots of viruses from your system for a few $100s. So we're going to look now at securing the system, and I'm taking the point that you've already set it up as an administrator account. To just change it over and create a new account would mean you'd lose all your data or have to transfer it all. So today I'm going to show you how to change the system setting of your administrator account to a standard account by simply creating a second account, which will be the administrator account. Now, to do this, we have to go to the settings menu itself. So I'll show you where we go and what we do. So first of all, if you click on the start bar here and type in accounts, click user accounts, and we are presented with this, and here you can see my account set up as an administrator. Now if you go back to the start menu and type in accounts, you'll see user accounts, which is the one we're in already, but you'll also see a second one, which is manage your account. We can do all sorts of things, but we can't really change the account itself. Remember, there is only one account on the system, and having just one account on the system means we have to have it as an administrator account, because you have to be able to install programs and change settings and so on, and you can only do that when you're in administrator mode. So this particular part here where we look at our account and our settings for our account, it doesn't really help us at all in securing our system. Going back here to the user account section, if you look under this tab here, change your account type, you can see that there's an option to actually change it to a standard account. But doing this poses a problem again, because if somebody gains control of your computer, those lovely Microsoft people I was telling you about, then they can actually change it back to administrator and carry on installing their nasties. So what we need to do is to create a second account, as I said, and transfer the administrator powers to that account. So we're going to do that now by simply going in and creating a second account. So remember, we've got the two items here, user accounts and manage my account, or manage your account. Change user account control settings. But where we need to go is just here. It says manage another account. So we click that, and then we have the accounts that are already on the computer, and we want to create a new one by clicking add a new user in PC settings, and it's this little blue line at the bottom here. Next we go to add someone else to this PC, which is under family and other users, and in this setting what we need to do is ignore the email address box here and click on I don't have this person's signing information. Add someone to this PC. I don't have this person's sign-in information. Again, ignore all these boxes up here. You want this little box, or this little line at the bottom, add a user without Microsoft account. Click that, and then type in a new username. Now I'm going to put in administrative. Then I'm going to choose a password and retype the password. And if you haven't typed it right, this will pop up. These passwords don't match, so make sure you've got the same password for both lines. Once you've done that, put in a password hint. Nobody will ever be able to guess my password, not from this hint. So there we have it. We've now created a new account called administrative, which is a local account. What we need to do again is click on this and change account type. Use the drop down box and change it to administrator. Now the next part of this will mean resetting the PC. You'll either have to log out and log in or restart. I will be using the webcam to actually film this part. To log out, if you click on the start menu here, it doesn't actually give you that option, but if you right click, shut down or sign out, it actually gives you the choice to sign out. And after signing out or restarting the PC, we are then presented again with the start screen and our new account is there. So we have administrative account and the old one, which is my account. So we're going to log in now to the administrative account. Type in that secret password. And it'll set up the system again as if it's setting up for the first time. Remember that you're setting up a new user. Once it's all set up, computer's fully restarted, we can check that we're in the right account. Here, as you see, we're in the administrative account. And next, what we need to do is go back into the user accounts and change over the account that we were using, the My account, from being an administrator account to a standard account. Click on the tab which says My account, change account type, and change it from administrator to standard. OK it. And that is it. That is the job done. The original account is still there with all the data and settings and everything in it. We also now have an administrator account. What this means is, once we've logged back out of here and back into our main account, no one will be able to run any setup programs or change settings on the PC without our knowledge, because it'll automatically ask for an administrator password to do so. So if you've got a virus that tries to get installed, or a trojan, or somebody tries to take control of your PC from outside, those lovely Microsoft people that I keep telling you about, who aren't really Microsoft of course, then they will be blocked from doing so. I hope this has been helpful. All you need to do now is to sign out here and sign back into the main account, and we can carry on in safety. Once again, thank you for watching.